In this part, we are going to know about the concept which will help you to solve exercise 1.3. Though it is less of understanding part and more of a learning part. आपको इसमें थोड़ा learn करने का काम ज़्यादा है, समझने का बहुत थोड़ा सा part है. Let's understand one theorem which we are not going to prove, just to understand कि अगर p कोई prime number है और वो a square को divide कर रहा है तो वो a को भी divide करेगा. Let's take any number which is divisible by 3 and which is also a perfect square. So let's take 1521 which is the square of 39 and it is also divisible by 3 because 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The sum of the digits add up to 9. So if I take out the prime factorization of these, it will be 3 square into 13 square. So if this prime number is the factor of this perfect square, then it will be factor of this also, 39 also, because 39 is 3 into 13. This is very obvious. I am telling you this because it will help us to solve the next kind of problem, which is this. Prove that root 2 is an irrational number. आपको ये क्वेश्चन इस तरीके के आते हैं कि prove that root 2 is an irrational number, root 3 is an irrational number. रूट के अंदर सारे आपको ऐसे नंबर मिलेंगे जो परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नहीं है, जैसे रूट 6, रूट 7, रूट 8, बट नॉट रूट 9 बिकॉज 9 is a perfect square and root 9 is 3, so we cannot prove it to be irrational because it is rational. So we have to prove root 2 or root 3 as an irrational number. There are sequence of steps which you have to follow and which you have to learn in fact. तो आपको थोड़े स्टेप्स याद रखने हैं एंड आपको उसको अच्छे से लर्न करना है. अगर आपको रूट 3 आएगा तो आपको उस तरीके से लिख लेना है, उसको रिप्रोड्यूस करना है. वी विल प्रूव दिस विद द हेल्प ऑफ कॉन्ट्रडिक्शन. आपको पता है कि रैशनल नंबर क्या होता है. रैशनल नंबर कैन बी एक्सप्रेस्ड इन द फॉर्म ऑफ p by q वेयर p and q आर इंटीजर्स and q is not equal to 0. So we will assume that root 2 is a rational number and therefore it can be expressed in the form of p by q where p and q are integers and q is not equal to 0 because it is in the denominator. Denominator can never be 0. And we are also assuming that this is in the standard form. Standard form means there is nothing which will divide p and q together. तो इनके कोई भी common factors नहीं है. It means p and q are co-primes. So this is our assumption. अगर हम इस assumption को contradict कर देंगे तो हम prove कर देंगे कि root 2 एक irrational number है. So let's start with this. Root 2 is equals to p upon q. On squaring it on both the sides, it will become root 2 square will be 2. It will become p square upon q square. Then if I cross multiply it, it will become 2q square is equals to p square. This statement, it means that 2 is the factor of p square. So from this step we conclude that 2 is the factor of p square. We know that if any prime number is a factor of p square, it will be factor of p also. So from here we conclude that 2 is the factor of p also. If 2 is the factor of p, we can represent p as 2 into something. So we are writing p as 2 into m and we will substitute this value in this equation, in the first equation. So what it will become? It will become 2q square is equals to, instead of p I will write 2m and I will square it. So this will become 2q square is equals to 4m square. If I take this 2 over here, it will become q square is equals to 4m square divided by 2 and this will become 2m square. Now with this statement, with this step, we conclude that 2 is the factor of q square. Therefore 2 is the factor of q also. So from this first statement and this second statement, we have concluded that 2 is the factor of both p and q, and this contradicts our assumption that p and q are co-primes because we have a common factor 2 which is contradicting our assumption. Therefore root 2 is an irrational number. Now you have to learn this step one by one you have to write the same way. If it is asked that prove that root 7 is a rational number, instead of 2 you have to write 7 at all the places. So this is how you are going to solve this problem. I am also putting a picture of the solution so that you can copy it in my website go10on10.com. You can register and get the resources for class 10th from there. Now if you are asked to prove something like this, 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. If something like this is asked, you first have to prove root 2 as a irrational number by writing all the algorithms we have learned so far. And now you remember in 9th class we have seen कि अगर रैशनल के साथ इर्रेशनल नंबर का कोई भी कॉम्बिनेशन होता है तो आंसर इज ऑलवेज अ इर्रेशनल नंबर. यू रिमेंबर दिस थिंग कि रैशनल एंड रैशनल becomes rational, irrational and irrational becomes rational or irrational, but the combination of rational and irrational is always irrational. So in our problem 6 is a rational number, root 2 we have proved that it is irrational number, so the addition or subtraction or multiplication or division of these two numbers will be irrational number. So you have to add an extra statement in this type of problem. First you have to prove that root 2 is an irrational number by following all the steps. उसके बाद आपको लिखना है कि since 6 is a rational number and rational plus irrational number will always be equal to irrational number, therefore 6 plus root 2 is an irrational number. So this is how you will solve all the problems which is in this exercise. Bye.
I hope you liked it. To see more educational videos like this, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to get the notification of the latest videos.